Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Lisa, and
It's me, Kyla.
yes. And today we have some Popeyes. We have some chicken
And fries.
and I also pretty much have the same as her, but I have mashed potatoes too. And she has chicken and fries. Wait, this is our first time ever eating Popeyes? This is my first time? This is my first time ever eating Popeyes.
Yeah.
So AK ate some?
Her first time too.
Oh, it's both of ours. Okay, let's just get started. I don't know what to start with. Let's just see if this fries.
The fries are not crunchy.
Kind of is.
The fries.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to show you guys close up. This is what we have.
Well, like,
This is what we have.
mine has like a little this called.
I don't know what this is called. Oh,
Okay,
with butter. I don't think we need this.
Cute, this thing.
Okay, we also have some water bottles on the side. So, sorry if you already saw our other video about the Five Guys. Sorry if you're hearing the same thing, but we didn't want to leave the Five Guys on YouTube because you couldn't see anything and it was crappy. So we thought to make another video, but to make another video and talk about the same thing. Yeah. Okay. Try the mashed potatoes. This is double.
Double chicken. The
Yummy.
chicken, a little bit crunchy there too.
Okay. Let's try the chicken now.
It's so good. It was so crunchy.
Mm-hmm. Hi.
That's
So-
the other. Thank you,
Our visit to
Mom.
Utah was super fun. And yeah, thank you, Mom. When we first went to the carnival, it was so fun. I was a bit of a scaredy cat at first, and I didn't want to ride any rides. I was so scared that I didn't want to ride the big kids. I only wanted to ride the little kids. Like, it was just weird. It was weird.
Because they're not allowed to go on the milkshake ride.
I know.
Don't kick you off.
I know they
You
kicked me
guys like
off.
see these pictures?
But so I tried a ride, and it was a little bit scary at first. My first ride was
The
this
Sergio?
a Ryotron, no, a Ryotron or something. No,
What's Ryotron?
it's something where you go like spin in circles so fast. I got dizzy after it. I was scared that I was kind of gonna like fall off. And at the time when I went on the ride, I had to use a restroom. So when I had to use a restroom, I was scared that I was gonna end up having an accident while in the ride.
If you
So I got scared.
if you guys like see like pictures
And
on your walls,
And my cousin he's funny. His name is Pona, and when he went on the ride, both of my cousins screamed, and they were like, ah! And my cousin Pona, he had his camera. He was like, ah! Screaming at the same time with his camera. He was so
but
funny.
they like it.
And then we went on this one other ride called Gravitron.
What's Gravitron?
That, like, when you go on it, there'd be nothing for you to step on, and you just lean back like this. You would just stand and lean back, and it would be slippery. But when they
It
spin,
feels like there's no gravity.
yeah, it feels no gravity. You mean there is gravity, like extra gravity.
Looks so good.
Gravity's what pulls you to the ground.
To the ground, yeah. That's what it did.
It's so scary.
So it felt like it had a lot of gravity to the
Was
point
it
where
scary?
I mean, it makes you.
Was it
to
scary?
the point where you couldn't even lift your head up, and you could pretty much like crawl around the seats and stuff. It was cool. It was a little scary at first, and it made you super dizzy. But you must know it's not actual extra gravity. It's actually just the thing spinning so fast where the point it feels like extra gravity. So it was fun though.
Was it scary though?
What other
Kinda.
activities did we do?
We went to a parade for the 24th, Pioneer Day. July 24th, Pioneer Day.
If you guys want to watch more of these videos, hit big thumbs up. And subscribers.
And subscribe if you hadn't subscribed yet. Whew.
So good.
This is actually really good. I was afraid it was going to be nasty. So,
Susie.
excuse me. It's crunchy. That's for sure. Well, actually, we made slime. Yeah, this is my chicken close up. It looks like normal chicken. Then this is my mashed potatoes and my fries.
This is what I have.
Yeah. Well, I think she ate more than me, guys. Okay. We made slime. It wasn't just like. It wasn't. It was original slime. Just.
It looks like
It was just white. It was white.
we call them goo, but they're actually slime.
Yeah, my cousins, they called it goo, but it's really actually called slime. Some people call it goo. We
I'm
call
not
it slime. But we had a big
What does
gallon.
slime mean?
Oh my gosh. We got a big gallon of glue, and
It's like this big a little bit.
no, it was this big.
Is this big?
Mhm.
Oh.
And then
It was really huge and chubby.
it was big and chubby. She was like, it was really huge and chubby.
It's actually bigger than the chicken.
Yep. Okay. So after we also we went bowling. It was so cool.
And then there's like these great things that like you can push on to the bullies that can really work, that it's not heavy for you. Bullied.
Mhm.
I don't know what it's called.
It was kind of hard for the little ones like her. We
Like
have
Call
some
of
5
Duty.
years old and 2 years old. It was-
Tyler's first time bowling.
It's
And
my
this is first time bowling.
It's my first time.
I think it's my second time bowling.
Yep.
If you guys like see all these pictures on the wall,
All these pictures on the wall.
yeah, that I colored with me and my dad.
Mhm. So yeah, are you gonna bowl again?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay. We're gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe. And also,
And subscribers.
if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and also give us a big like and comment down below what you're gonna want to know about us, and also give us some inspiration on what we should do. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe and also give this a like. Bye.